spotlight again, and not just for his speeches or books. This time it is a political storm. His comments on India's military actions have upset his own party, which is the Congress. So what exactly did he say, and is he planning to leave Congress? Well, let's break it all down. I am Shivangi and you're watching India TV. First, let's talk about the remark that started it all. Speaking in Panama, Shashi Tharoor said that India crossed the line of control, that is LOC, for the first time in 2016 after the Uri attack under the BJP government. He also praised India's recent Operation Sindoor, saying it went even deeper into Pakistan than before. Now, these comments did not sit well with Congress, which claims that surgical strikes happened even during the UPA era, just without the publicity. Congress leaders like Pawan Kheda and Udit Raj hit back. Kheda even posted old quotes from Shashi Tharoor's book, wherein he called surgical strikes under PM Modi a political tool. Meanwhile, BJP's Kiren Rijiju defended Tharoor, calling Congress's anger a political desperation. Tharoor later clarified that he was only talking about responses to terror attacks and not wars. But this isn't the first time that Tharoor has clashed with Congress. Earlier, he openly praised PM Modi after the India-Pakistan ceasefire and also supported Kerala's LDF government, which is Congress's main rival in the state. After Operation Sindoor, Shashi Tharoor led one of the international delegations, and that too sparked party discontent. So is Tharoor planning to leave Congress? Well, earlier this year, Tharoor said that he had other options if the party did not use his strengths. He denied any plans to join the BJP, but his selfie with Piyush Goyal still caused a lot of buzz. He's also hinted at wanting a bigger role in Kerala, maybe even as CM, and that is another point of friction. Further, his meeting with Rahul Gandhi happened behind closed doors, but tensions are still visible. Well, you must know that Tharoor's relationship with Congress has been shaky since 2019. He questioned the Gandhis' leadership as part of the G23 group and even ran for party president in 2022, thus widening the gap. Now, whispers about him being sidelined are louder than ever. So will Tharoor stay loyal to the Congress or write a new political chapter? Well, only time will tell that, and for more updates on the same, keep watching India TV News.